Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I don't know if this is part 3 or 4 of this macro to rotate things in the center of the page. I kind of discovered this week and I sent it to my mentor and he was pretty excited about it like I was. And he took it the next step and wrote a GMS code for it. Will work with any size page. You see our page here is 24 by 12. If we take this shape, and I'm going to go alternate C because I set it in mine, and now it's rotating from the center of the page. So let's take this same item. Let's make a copy of it. Let's go to another page. My laser page is 40 by 28, and I'm just going to paste this in here. I'm going to set it off center so it won't be the same. I'm going to go ahead and bring in indexing lines just so we can prove that it is in the center when it does it. So the center is way over here, but if we click on the item and go alternate C, the center is right there and it's on a different page size. So I'm going to put it on my Facebook page and I'm going to put it on Corel or Epilog's Facebook page. But if you're not a Facebook person, email me and I'll send you this GMS. This is a game changer, folks. To be able to rotate something from the center of the page, and I don't care what it is, you could take a circle from way out here and have it selected and go alternate C. Now I made a shortcut key to it, but look at that. Now it's going to rotate around the center of the page, no matter what size your page is. So if you just, and how I created the macro in it, and if you need help getting the GMS into your computer. Actually, the one I had kept changing and I had to keep redoing it. Well, Mr. Brewer created a rotate center of page, and here's the GMS. And all I did was right click and assign it a keyboard stroke, which is alternate C. You can make yours whatever you want. This is cool. So email me, maybe go to Facebook first if you're Epilog fan page or my Corel help. And I'll put both those Facebook pages at the bottom of this video along with this email. And then if later on, if you need help putting it into your, here's all the other ones I have like Tag Cut, which is also Mr. Brewer's. This is incredible. Anyway, have fun with that and hope that helped. Thank you for watching.